phones on you people? I've got one. That is alien technology. It's got nothing to do with Apple, really. It's all picked up dead flying saucers and poor little Martians on the ground. Anyway, this song was originally written to try and communicate upstairs, try and see if we could bring an alien down somewhere and meet him. I was about, I don't know, 14 or something when I started this song.
Wow.
But we wanted to make alien noises and see if they went, oh, they're making noises, let's go see them. But now I think if we all do it, maybe they'll hear it even better. And they go like this. You can sing along, maybe the second one. They go. Like an angelic choir. Okay, here we go. Time, here we go. Ooh.